Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use PayPal to pay in AllChinaBuy. So what we do is go to My Orders. So here, My Orders. Here you'll see the item that I am buying. And here, it will give you some payment methods. Now, as you might have noticed, PayPal is not an option here, but I've made a previous tutorial where we link our PayPal account with a bank account to Apple Pay, which you can watch. So yeah, that is what you need to do. Link your PayPal account to Apple Pay and then select this option and then proceed as if you're paying with your Apple Pay, but you're actually taking the funds out of your PayPal account. I hope this video helped. Thank you very much.